we are going to change the entire world, and we are going to do some wonderful things while talking. And you are a great speaker, so I'm going to ask some difficult question to you, and I think you can do better than other students. So please tell me about yourself.
My name is Miss Bawsan Vimal and I am in
वो लगाया है आपने?
yes.
हाँ कीजिए.
I am in ninth standard and I am 14 years old and I live in Mumra at Bombay Colony.
Okay. Does your father like biryani?
Yes, my father likes biryani.
Do you like biryani?
Yes, I likes
You
biryani.
likes biryani. I like biryani. Do you know about Vanshika?
Yes, I know.
Can you tell me something about Vanshika? Just two, three lines. Her name, like, dislike, and her attitude.
Her name is Vanshika and Vanshika is very good nature and Vanshika is very intelligent
Okay.
and
Please tell me your father's routine.
my father's routine. My father's name is
Yes.
Hussein, and he wakes up at 9 o'clock. Then he brushes his teeth, and after that he takes a bath, and he then he takes a breakfast. After that he gets ready for her job, and he goes to job.
His job, right? Now, please tell me what did you do yesterday? When did you wake up? When did you go to school?
I woke up at 6 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth. After I gets ready.
I got ready.
I got ready for my school, and then I went to my school. After I came to my home at 11 o'clock.
Does your father speak English at home?
No, my father doesn't English speak at home.
Does your brother speak English?
Yes, my brother speak English.
What language does your brother speak at home?
My brother speak
Generally,
English and Hindi.
English and Hindi. When did you come in this class today?
I come in the class today
You
at
came.
I came in the class today at 11:30.
For how long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English for I think so 2 months.
Okay. And when did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up yesterday at 6 o'clock.
Were you busy yesterday in the morning?
Yes, I was busy yesterday
Why were you busy yesterday in the morning?
because my school in
Because I was in my school. Okay. Do you go for a picnic?
yes I go to.
Where do you usually go for a picnic? When did you go for a picnic last time? Last time? 2 years ago,
1 year
just example.
ago. 1 year ago.
So can you tell me a little bit, just 4 5 lines? Not big, like I went to picnic Chiku Jiniwadi jahan par bhi.
I went to picnic at the Kuchiniwadi and in school. In school, and I was very enjoy that time because with my friends Ayesha and Zalbir, so I enjoy.
Okay. Is it Chiku or Tiku? What is the name?
Tiku Chiniwadi.
Tiku.